I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Elecom charger matches your phone's Qi standard. This prevents charging errors. Then plug the supplied adapter into a reliable 5V/2A USB-C or USB-A port, because weak power causes slow charge. Place the charger on a flat, stable surface and remove metal cases or cards from the phone so the coils align. Once done, lay the phone centered on the pad until the LED indicates charging. If LED doesn't light, adjust position slightly. Alignment matters. Now focus on precise alignment and device settings to maximize speed. You should center the phone over the charger's coil. The LED or a brief vibration will confirm a charge is detected. Make sure wireless charging is enabled in your phone settings when applicable, because some models disable it in low-power modes. If you use a thick case or magnetic mount thicker than about 3 mm, remove it to restore full efficiency. Once charging begins, monitor temperature. Slight warmth is normal, but excessive heat reduces performance. To finish, remove your phone when it reaches full charge, or let optimized charging manage the final percent to protect battery health. If charging fails, first try a different USB port and cable, then recenter the phone. Small shifts often fix detection. You can also test the Elecom pad with another Qi device to isolate the issue. If problems persist, verify the adapter meets power specs and that no firmware or phone setting blocks wireless charging. Contacting support is the last step if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.